This vegan butternut squash pie is a delicious fall dessert, combining the natural sweetness of butternut squash with warm spices for a smooth and flavorful experience. It's easy to make, completely dairy-free, and a great alternative to traditional pies. The pie features a vegan graham cracker crust, adding a sweet and slightly crunchy base that complements the creamy filling perfectly. You can buy a store-bought pie crust since many are accidentally vegan. To make the crust at home, combine the graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted vegan butter in a bowl. Mix until it resembles wet sand. Press this mixture evenly into a 9-inch pie dish, covering the bottom and up the sides. Once that's done, pop it into the oven for about 10 minutes. While that bakes, prepare the crumb topping. In a bowl, mix together the rolled oats, flour, brown sugar, vegan butter, cinnamon, and crushed pecans. Stir the mixture until it becomes crumbly. Set aside. Now for the filling. In a blender or food processor, combine the butternut squash, coconut milk, white and brown sugar, arrowroot powder, and pumpkin pie spice. Mix until smooth and well combined. Pour the filling into your crust, spreading it out evenly. Sprinkle the crumb topping evenly over the pie filling. In a preheated oven, bake the pie for about 50 minutes, or until the center is set and the top is golden. Once baked, let the pie cool completely, then place in the refrigerator overnight. This allows the filling to firm up nicely. Visit nutsandtwigs.com for recipe details.